Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money and ways to wisely make money online. You have almost probably heard of Fortnite, a hugely popular and occasionally contentious online game, unless you have been living under a rock. You might be surprised to learn that playing this video game can earn you money. Kyle Bugha Gersdorf has won more than $3 million in prizes as of September 2019, making him the highest paid gamer. A total of $9.5 million was earned by the top 5 earners. That is some serious money. You can still make a few dollars from playing, even if you don't immediately make as much money as Bugha. We will discuss a few ways to earn paid to play Fortnite in this video. Let's look at Fortnite's definition and appeal before discussing how you can make money playing it. The first-person shooter video game Fortnite was created by Epic Games. It is available in 3 different game mode variations, with Fortnite Battle Royale being the most widely played. This free-to-play game, which supports up to 100 players, involves being dropped on an island where players must construct bases, find weapons, and kill off all other players until only one is left standing. The Battle Royale mode is free to download and play, but players have the option to use a V-Bucks, which can be obtained through in-game tasks or purchased with real money, to make in-game purchases such as battle passes and costumes, skins, and dances. What is the appeal of Fortnite? Fortnite has 250 million registered accounts as of March 2019, and the month with the most players active was August 2018 with 78.3 million. According to surveys, 62% of Fortnite gamers are between the ages of 18 and 24, while 22% are between the ages of 25 and 34. The weekly playing time varies from 6 to 10 hours. Fortnite is obviously very popular with young people, but why? It is free to start. There is no undue advantage granted to players over other players thanks to in-game purchases, which are entirely optional. They either provide access to more content or are merely decorative. Second, it may be played on a variety of platforms. On your smartphone, PC or Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, you can play it. Third, the design is excellent. Contrary to other darkly colored, brutal first-person shooter games, the developer of Fortnite envisioned it as a more imaginative, aesthetically pleasing, and kid-friendly first-person shooter game. Fourthly, the game is challenging. By encouraging players to slink through the virtual world in search of cover and concealed locations, Fortnite gives players the chance to exhibit their creativity while also giving them the chance to win games without ever firing a shot. And finally, overall, it is a good experience. Although players occasionally engage in hostile behavior towards one another, there are some instances of teasing and taunting. It is a welcome deviation from how people often behave while playing other video games. Now that we have gotten all of that out of the way, let us talk about how you can get paid playing Fortnite. You can start competing in competitions. By participating in an online tournament, anyone can earn money while playing Fortnite. Matches are held on third-party websites like Esports Hub, tournaments, and Gamers Arena, and the winners receive cash prizes. On the website that is hosting the tournament they are interested in, players buy credits. The website then creates a bracket against other players, and everyone plays for prize money. The prize money can mount up to several $100s per week if you participate in several tournaments in a week. You might only make a few dollars per tournament. You can win extra money as a prize if you improve. Additionally, Fortnite holds its own in-game competitions for solo, duo, and squad players where you complete for a target score that qualifies you to earn rewards. Additionally, the Fortnite World Cup is an annual free-for-all esports event with a total prize pool of $30 million split across multiple competitions. Why not bet on Fortnite contests if you don't think you have what it takes to be an esports player? Anyone who is familiar with the game but not very good at it should bet on Fortnite events. If you enjoy watching Fortnite streams, this will likely make it even more fun because you may win real money. This is not the most stable approach to making money because betting involves risk. Some bets will pay off while others won't. The better you are likely to perform, though, the more you will likely know about the players, teams, and the game itself. Due to the popularity of the game Fortnite, odds for Fortnite tournaments may be found on most websites that allow esports betting. Streaming your games on services like Twitch is arguably one of the simplest methods to earn money in Fortnite. How does that function? Through broadcasting and subscribing, Twitch gives its customers two methods to follow the activities of their favorite streamers. Subscriptions are the main source of funding. A basic membership costs $4.99 per month. Typically, streamers get half of that. This implies that your earnings will increase as your fan base grows. Cody Big Faults, a full-time Twitch streamer, makes a sizable six figures a month just from streaming, demonstrating that Ninja's revenue is not an isolated incident. You'll soon be buying your first BMW with over 522,000 Twitch followers. There are other methods to make a Twitch money-making engine outside subscriptions. You can accomplish it by setting up donations using PayPal, cryptocurrency, or third-party donation services like Streamlab and DonorBacks. You can also do it by leveraging influencer marketing or little payments called bits. Twitch bits are like mini donations that viewers may give to their favorite streamers in the form of cheers, with each 100 bits earning the streamer $1. Main Twitch partners and affiliates can use bits, which is its only drawback. It is also not too difficult to set up donation buttons on your channel, and the procedure is essentially the same whether you are using Streamlab, PayPal, or Bitcoin. You can start receiving donations from your subscribers as soon as you copy the URL to your PayPal, cryptocurrency wallet, or donation website and paste it into the edit panel of your channel. Here is a step-by-step guide that will show you how to set up donations on Twitch in detail. However, in addition to what I said, adverts, affiliate sales, and sponsorships are how the majority of well-known Twitch streamers support themselves. Some people might even include video advertisements in their stream, similar to those on Facebook and YouTube. The most popular Twitch streamers all have one thing in common. They have turned gaming into a full-time job, spending at least 8 hours a day shackled to their computers playing games like Fortnite. Chaotic, a Fortnite livestream, earned a record-breaking $75,000 gift at the beginning of 2019. Even while donations of that scale are incredibly uncommon, if you are prepared to put in the time and effort, it is not entirely impossible. Of course, amateurs and regular players like us won't immediately begin to amass large sums of money. However, after you have gained a following, you might be well on your way to emerging as Fortnite's next great ninja. You can also start accepting donations because we're talking about streaming. Viewers can assist the cause by making donations in a variety of ways. To allow your visitors to send money directly to your PayPal account, you may set up a paypal.me link that you can share with them. Utilizing a stream management solution like Streamlabs OBS or Muxi for Twitch or Stream Elements or Superchat for YouTube is an additional option. If you have followers, they will usually be pleased to help you out, but if they don't realize they can donate, they will not. Display your contribution links everywhere you can and be sure to mention them on your streams. By listing your top donors on your profile page and thanking them in your stream, you can inspire your viewers even more. You might be able to profit off the less talented if you become incredibly successful at Fortnite. In an effort to get their children to college scholarships, some parents are even hiring gaming trainers for their children because the game has grown so well liked. You don't trust me? The National Associations of Collegiate Esports report that there are currently about 80 colleges with esports teams in the United States, all of which train every day in anticipation of league matches against other schools. If you are from the UK, you may discover professional Fortnite players advertising their services as Fortnite Pals on platforms like Bidvine. You can schedule private coaching sessions with experts at any price you choose. On Bidvine, pros can make up to $140 every hour. But in order to join the platform, you must have at least 25 Fortnite victories. If you are a US citizen, a quick search on eBay will turn up a list of several talented players offering wins in exchange for money. In most cases, Fortnite trainers will promise players 1 hour of gameplay and 1 victory. Players will often hear from the pros about when and how to interact with other players. Wouldn't it be fantastic to be able to sit at home all day playing video games while getting paid, rather than working for companies? Many of you have probably thought this, especially in light of the fact that some of the most well-known Fortnite players are earning very respectable six-figure salaries. For casual gamers, that might be pretty impossible, but it does not mean you can't also make a little money from the game. If you are prepared to put in the time and effort, you can make some decent money streaming, or you may try out for Fortnite competitions. Additionally, if you are particularly excellent at the game, You can earn money by coaching other players or helping them improve their stats. Only three essential components are needed to prosper in Fortnite: effort, talent, and endurance. Who knows? One day you might have a full time job doing what you love. So that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.